As a proud minority-owned business, J.COSTA Group brings unmatched expertise in commercial builds, delivering top-tier construction management services with a steadfast commitment to excellence. We work as an extension of your team, ensuring reliability and quality on every project. Our specialties include new construction, interior renovations, facilities management, inspections, and construction management. We serve both public and private sectors, tackling projects in retail, office spaces, restaurants, healthcare, government and public works, and institutional builds. When you partner with J.COSTA Group, you're choosing a team that meets deadlines, exceeds expectations, and delivers quality results. J.COSTA Group, your trusted partner in construction.